My name is Rick Renner, and this is March 30th. And our gem today is called a rescue operation. And our scripture is Luke 19:10, where Jesus is describing his own mission. And he says, "For the Son of Man has come to seek and to save that which is lost." What has been lost in your life? Jesus wants to save it. But what does that mean, to save it? Well, I want to read to you what this word save means. This word save is the Greek word sozo, which in this case means to rescue. Simply put, it is the rescue from a raging sea or the rescue from an illness. It could be rescue from any kind of immediate danger. It really means to return one to safety and soundness. That's the purpose of Jesus. Jesus doesn't want to just save you and one day give you heaven. He wants to return you to everything that you've lost in your life. He wants to rescue you from the things that you're facing and return you to God's original plan, where once again you're safe, you're secure, you're sound in the will of God. That's what Jesus came to do for you, and that's what he wants to do right now. That's what I want you to think about today.